Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by orienting quickly. Identify the speaker's purpose and tone so you know what matters. Once done, listen for anchor items, names, dates, and figures, and jot compact notes using symbols and numbers. Make sure to mark pauses and emphasis. They often change meaning. You'll also form a mental outline of the sequence so later speech reconstructs coherently. These first steps secure content and reduce mental load, enabling you to start interpreting immediately with clarity and structure. You now process chunks. Take one idea unit and its connective, then reformulate meaning first in your target language. Once done, preserve the speaker's tone and register. This explains why emotional words and formality matter. Make sure to include critical details like numbers and names verbatim when required. Control pacing by pausing briefly before you speak and use short linking phrases to maintain flow. This method keeps content accurate and intelligible while preventing backlog. You complete the turn with a concise summary that links the main points and the outcome so listeners can follow the argument. Once finished, check understanding. Ask for clarification or request repetition of critical items like figures or names. If cognitive overload happens, make sure to signal a short pause or ask the speaker to slow down. Prioritize core facts first rather than every peripheral detail. This troubleshooting keeps meaning intact and restores control when communication breaks down.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.